Hi guys, today we're using Play-Doh. We are going to be making flowers. Let's get started. Okay, so first you need to use this color. You can use any color you want, but I'm going to use this one. I bought it at Walmart, just so you know. Then, open it. Grab a little bit. And you just keep rolling it and then kind of make it like a cylinder. And then you're gonna split it. Okay, it's coming out good. Okay, now okay guys, so now we're also going to use some green, just a little bit. We don't need a lot. And we are going to be rolling this from a little edge, not a lot, as you can see. Let me show you. So there, just from the edge. Okay guys, so roll it, roll it, roll it good. And we have our flower. I mean, this is how my mom showed me how to make a flower. Just to make the illusion. And then, if you want to, you could kind of fold the little petals like this. Here we go, guys. And now, if you really want to do this, I can put like a little leaf or something, you know, guys. So this is my idea. I was like, I grabbed two of these and then I put in a half and I make it like two little petals, but they're actually the leaves. And then this part's gonna go like this. And this one is gonna go the same place. We just squish it down. And there. That's a simple way of how to make a flower. Bye guys. Please subscribe down below or give me a like. Bye.